Operators and ISPs face declining ARPU and LTV, fierce competition, and poor customer retention. These challenges call for a new growth approach. Introducing DoLynk cloud-based DIY app, built on low-code architecture with zero server costs. Deploy your branded app and web client in just 5 steps. Step 1, log into developer. Step 2, build your app. Step 3, customize. Step 4, preview. And Step 5, launch your app. Enables full surveillance features including live view, playback, cloud storage, PTZ control, two-way talk, event notifications. With scalable cloud architecture, Dahua DIY app supports unlimited device access including 4G, Wi-Fi, PTZ, and NVR devices across consumer, business, and government scenarios. Dahua DIY app helps operators and ISPs expand their business, boost ARPU, increase stickiness, and build smart ecosystem. Dahua DIY app leverages top cloud infrastructure and strict industry standards for platform security and reliability. Partner with Dahua for scalable service, seamless security, stronger ARPU,